In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your decreasing stitches blend in with your other single crochet stitches. Hi, I'm Nicole Chase and welcome to my channel. I design fun and colorful amigurumi crochet patterns that are great for any skill level. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the invisible decrease. A single crochet decrease can often be referred to as a decrease or single crochet two together. The invisible decrease is great for amigurumi projects when you want to make sure that your decreases blend in with your other stitches. Let's get started. When working on amigurumi, a standard decrease can often be quite noticeable in your single crochet stitches. They're just a little bit bigger than regular single crochet stitches. A standard decrease is done by inserting your hook into the next stitch, drawing up a loop, inserting your hook into the following stitch, drawing up a loop. So you have 3 stitches on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through. And that creates the standard single crochet decrease. Using the invisible decrease method, the decreasing stitch is almost impossible to detect. To do the invisible decrease, you insert your hook under the first loop of your first stitch, and then under the first loop of your second stitch. At that point, you will yarn over and draw up a loop, having 2 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and draw through both loops. And essentially, you're creating a standard single crochet stitch only in the first loops of those 2 stitches, joining them together. So then I'm going to work a standard single crochet and do my next decrease, again inserting my hook under the first loop of the first stitch and first loop of the second stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop, and then yarn over and draw through both loops on your hook. And again, a single crochet, and I will do another invisible decrease. And here you can see that the decreasing stitches just look like standard single crochet stitches.